Hi, this is Tammy Martin with Fort Hays State University AEP 800, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the website Front Row, www.frontrowed.com. So who's the audience for Front Row? Front Row provides differentiation for students, very similar to the literacy website Lexia, if you've ever played on that. And teachers benefit because they get to have their students differentiated, and they also get updated reports on their students' growth through this site. And I'll show you an example of that in just a little bit. The purpose of Front Row ED is that everybody needs differentiated mathematical practices, and it supported the domains and the Common Core. So each student can go through the domains like it's pictured down here, and you can see where your students fit within the percentiles. Now this is a teacher view. The students wouldn't obviously be able to see their names like that. So why did I choose this site? I have seen both the benefits of teachers being able to use this as a resource in their math interventions, and my own daughter actually enjoys playing on the website as well. So you can see two examples here of what it looks like. You can see the iPad on the left shows a problem and the students being able to write on the iPad to get the result. And then on the right, you can see where the student has missed a problem, and the website will go through and coach the students, trying to get them to get the response correct. So here's an example of a teacher report that was generated. This is actually my kindergarten daughter, Cassie, and you can see her grade level right now in math is 1.5, so about halfway through first grade, and this is in numbers in base 10. So you can kind of see all of hers that she was doing that for this document were all numbers in base 10, and you can kind of see how she's been going in her accuracy through those problems. When looking at the ISTE standards for administrators, the following standards stood out to me. The first standard, indicator A, administrators should be encouraging the use of the site to help their students achieve academic goals. They can make growth through both the coaching and the increased practice that the students obtain. Additionally, principals could focus on the second standard, indicator B, to ensure that the needs of all learners are met at the individual level. So let's see the website in action. So I'm going to click here, and it will take you to the website frontrowed.com, and you can see you can learn a lot about the website just by clicking on here for administrators and principals, but also for teachers doing the free sign up, and it has a lot of information and facts. I'm actually going to do a student sign in, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the student end. This is my daughter's login. And you can see what she can work on. So she has foundational skills that she can work on, and she also can get into the advanced skills. Now, since she's just in kindergarten, she's been working primarily in the numbers and operations in base 10. She has taken a pretest in this foundational skill only. She hasn't gotten into any of the others yet. So if you click on this one, it will pull up. You can do adaptive practice and assigned practice. And if you see, if I click on here, it says that the adaptive practice is personalized. This is what they get when they do the pretest and they work on exactly what they need. You also can do assigned practice, where the teacher will pick what each student works on. So if you have a student that's working on a particular skill, you could do assigned practice, or you could do adaptive practice, which is what she normally does. You can see over here the Front Row All-Stars Most Coins Today. This is different groups that have been set up, and this is the group that my daughter is a part of. So if she's on level 8, counting by tens, and you can see she has surpassed these and has 37 levels to go in numbers in base 10. So you can see how it provides you a problem. The kids can get a pen to use in which they can write. They also can throw away their problems, and what's really nice is they can have the problem read aloud. So you can type in the answer once you've achieved it. So that's just a small snippet of things that you can do on Front Row ED. It's a really cool website, and I recommend setting one up for your class.